विसवा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार. मये भूविमोचन नागरीक कृती समितीन पणजे उपासाक सुरवात केल्या. मयेचो कस्टोडियनाचो प्रस्न 19 डिसेंबर मेरेन तडीक लायलो ना जाल्यार बेमुजत उपवासाक बसपाची शिटकावणी लोकांनी दिल्या. स्वातंत्र्य सैनिकांनी निवृत्त पुलीस अधिकारी प्रभाकर सिनारी म्हणटा, गोंय सरकारान मयेकारांक नक्सलवादी जावपाक प्रवृत्त करचे न्ही.
मये भूविमोचन नागरिक कृती समितीन पणजे कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट्स जेटी लागसार आपल्या उपासाक सुरवात केल्या. ह्या वेळार मयेचो आमदार अनंत शेट तांच्या वांगडा आसलो. 50 वर्सां जाली तरी मयेच्या लोकांकडेन तांच्या जमनीचो हक्क ना. सरकारान कस्टोडियन मुद्दो सुटावो करपाक काना मनार घेवंक नाशिल्ल्यान समितीन आता उपास सुरवात केला.
जो गोवा कायदा आयोगान मसुदो तयार करून सरकाराक दिल्लो आसा आनी भितर मये भूविमोचन नागरिक कृती समितीन दुरुस्ती सुचोवन जो सरकाराक सादर केल्लो आसा, होच मसुदो मया खातीर कायद्याच्या रुपान सरकारान हाडचो ही आमची मागणी आसा. 19 डिसेंबर ही अंतिम तारीख आमी सरकाराक दिल्लेली आसा. जर 19 डिसेंबरा पयलीं सरकारान आमचो प्रश्न सोडयलो ना जाल्यार 20 तारखेच्यान आमी आमरण उपोशणाक बसतले.
स्वातंत्र्य सैनिकांनी मयेकारांक आपलो तेंको दिला. येता त्या दिसांनी मयेची पुराय जनता ह्या उपासाक वांटेकार जातली अशें समिती म्हणटा.
नक्षलवादी जातले थंयसर आनी लोकांची मनस्थिती तशी जाल्ल्या करुया म्हणून म्हाका अप्रोच जाल्ल्या कांय भुरगे करा आमी तयार आसा म्हणून तुमी आमकां दाखयात दिशा करुया नक्षलवाद. तांणी देशांत कशें खंय खंय नक्षलवाद जालो कित्याक लागून जालो की लोकांचो प्रश्न सोडयलो ना म्हणून, विशेश करून शेतकऱ्यांचो गांवकऱ्यांचो म्हणून नक्षलवाद जाता देशांत. हे तरी शिकारे बेट्टे थंय येवन खुर्चीर बसले आनी बेटे हुकूम सोडले म्हणून जायना. हे मातशें सरकारान शिकचे.
पणजेच्यान आमचो ज्येष्ठ खबराकार राकेश कानोळकार आनी चलचित्र खबराकार सुशांत पळ.
भारताचो पंगड ऑस्ट्रेलियेचे क्रिकेट भोंवडेर वचपाचो आसा. हैदराबादचो दावखुरो स्पिनर प्रज्ञान ओझान ह्या भोंवडेची तयारी चलयल्या. तो सध्या गोंयांत रणजी खेळपाक आयला. परवरी चलिल्ले मॅची वेळार प्रुडंटान ओझाची मुलाखत घेतली. ताचो पंगड एलीट ग्रुपांत पात्र थारचो म्हूण ओझान सध्या रणजीचेर लक्ष दिलां. हे खासा मुलाखतीचो कांय वेंचीक भाग आमी तुमकां दाखयतात. पुराय मुलाखत प्रुडंटाचेर पळयात शुक्रारा सकाळीं 11:30 सांजे 6 आनी रातीं 9:30 वरांचेर.
3 मॅचींनी वेस्ट इंडिजाच्यो 20 विकेटी उबारिल्लो प्रज्ञान ओझाचो आत्मविश्वास सध्या बऱ्यापैकी वाडला. परवरी चालू आशिल्ल्या रणजी मॅची खातीर तो सध्या गोंयांत आसा. येता त्या ऑस्ट्रेलिया टुरा विशीं तो उलयलो.
Now you've played on English wickets, you've got wickets there, so you know you can perform in those countries. How are you approaching this? Because you really might be itching to go to abroad countries, maybe even the Australia tour you have your sights on. How are you trying to approach that?
Yeah, I think I'll just keep my things very simple. The way I've been approaching every game, I want to approach the same way and not let anything affect me. You know, obviously there will be different conditions, different kind of wickets, but I believe if I stick to my basics and do my things right and tick all the boxes that I can, I think I'll have a good series there.
Do you feel you're in the reckoning for the Australia series?
Yeah, definitely. You know, when you're picked in the team and you're there, I think definitely as a cricketer I expect any game I would definitely get a chance and play.
After getting a fifer in your debut series, you were not considered. Amit Mishra came back in the squad. What was going through your mind that time?
No, I think when you're playing for your country, there are a lot of competition going on, and it would be harsh saying that I did quite well, but I didn't get my chances. When you're playing for your country, you have to expect tough situation coming into you every time you go onto the field. And God willingly, I took it in a positive way, and I carried on, you know, doing good work and working hard, and the result is in front of you now.
One thing that we all remember is that innings you played with Lakshman, wherein versus Australia last year. Sometime it was this time last year in 2010. What was that innings like? Could you describe it to us? Because it was such a grueling time. Lakshman had a runner, you were there batting, and then you know, those final moments. What was the feeling like?
I think it was a very important game because Ishant and Lakshman Bhai, they had put in all the hard work, and it was boiling down to me when I went into bat. They were expecting me to stay there and just play my normal cricket and just survive. And once I went in there, there were a couple of misunderstandings, but end of the day, winning games, especially playing with Lakshman Bhai, was out, like, you know, one of the memories that I'll cherish all my life, and beating Australia is always a special feeling.
Which were some of your favorite wickets that you got? Because you really foxed a lot of batsmen. Carlton Bott didn't seem to be knowing what you're bowling like. So which were some of your favorite wickets that you got, if you could relive them?
I think the most important ones were the ones which I beat the batsman with the flight and got them stumped. I think that is a delight as a spinner to watch when beating a batsman in the air and he gets stumped.
परवरीच्यान आमचो खेळा खबराकार निखिल परेरा आणि चलचित्र खबराकार देवेंद्र गांवकार.
आणि इतल्याने खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता. पळयत रावत प्रुडंट मिडिया. नमस्कार.